A lot of viewers asked for an update on Wetaskiwin, Alberta. Last year we did 2 videos on the small Alberta town that brought discussion to the table. So today we're going to concentrate on what improvements have been happening to Wetaskiwin in terms of growth and especially crime. As of 2025, Wetaskiwin, Alberta is navigating a period of fiscal adjustment, community development, and social challenges. The City Council approved a combined operating capital budget totaling approximately $54.6 million. This includes a 6.52% property tax increase to address rising costs, notably those associated with the RCMP services and security. In terms of infrastructure, the County of Wetaskiwin has allocated $2.81 million for the Village West Estates wastewater project, aiming to enhance municipal wastewater services by November 2025. Addressing homelessness remains a significant focus. The HOPE mission is constructing a permanent emergency shelter with Phase 1 expected to open in the summer of 2025. This facility will offer at least 50 beds, a kitchen, dining hall, and counseling offices. The project has faced community opposition over concerns about its impact on local businesses and crime rates. Despite this, the City Council proceeded with approvals, and the province provided $2.25 million in operation funding for the shelter. While specific crime statistics for 2025 are not that detailed, the ongoing debate surrounding the shelter indicate community concerns about safety and social issues. The city continues to engage with residents and stakeholders to address these challenges and work towards comprehensive solutions. Recent incidents highlight ongoing concerns. In March 2025, the Wetaskiwin RCMP Crime Reduction Unit seized significant quantities of fentanyl and methamphetamine, along with multiple firearms during a traffic stop, leading to charges against 4 individuals for drug trafficking and firearm offenses. Additionally, in January 2025, a suspect was arrested after ramming a police vehicle. A search revealed a loaded sawed-off shotgun and stolen mail. These incidents underscore the city's ongoing efforts to combat drug-related and property crimes. The Wetaskiwin RCMP, in collaboration with neighboring detachments, continues to focus on reducing crime through targeted enforcement and community engagement. During a presentation in Millet recently to talk about crime and crime prevention, Wetaskiwin and Camrose RCMP Sergeant Ross Assoon said rural property crimes are decreasing. In the first quarter of 2025, there had been 12% overall decrease, with 6 fewer break-and-enters than the previous time last year and 8 fewer vehicle thefts. There was also a 14% fewer theft under $5,000 complaint, making for an overall 35% decrease in property crimes in rural Wetaskiwin. But keep in mind, this is during the coldest season, January, February, and March. It will be interesting to see if this trend continues over the summer. There was, however, a 69% increase in persons crimes, and person crime includes things like assaults, threats, and harassment. So what do you think? Is Wetaskiwin headed in the right direction? Leave a comment below. Thank you and take care.